guys, so today is a Saturday and my hair looks funny and they're like so full of oil. You see? They're so full of oil because I have to do a hair wash today and my voice is like dead because I literally just woke up. And I'm so ashamed to tell you the time. It's literally 1 a.m. It's literally 1 a.m. and I thought I should like shoot a weekend in my life, but then I realized that I do not have a tripod because one of my juniors took my tripod because she like needed it for something. Yeah, I don't know for what. Yup. So I thought, okay, I'll just try shooting it without tripod. Actually, did a lot of cleaning last night because I was like, yeah, it's Friday night, and yeah, Friday night is different for everybody, and for me, it was cleaning. Okay, I do get a little irresponsible on Friday nights, so yeah, I shouldn't do that, but okay. तो अभी हम खाना खाने वाले हैं एंड आई टेल यू वन थिंग. पता है अभी मैं घर गई थी सो मैंने मेरा वेट करा एंड मेरा वेट वाज लाइक 43 kgs. क्या हुआ था कि आई हैव अलाइनर्स, ठीक है, एंड उन्होंने रिसेंटली मुझे इलास्टिक्स लगाए थे मेरे दांतों में बिकॉज आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन द जॉ. ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से मैंने कुछ खाया ही नहीं 2-3 दिन. आई वाज लाइक ऑन अ लिक्विड डाइट एंड लिक्विड भी मुझे इतना इरिटेट कर रहा था. आई डिड नॉट ईट एनीथिंग एंड वो टाइम पे मैंने मेरा वेट कर लिया. अब तो इतना कम था, ऑल तो इतना कम होगा नहीं, बट उससे मुझे पता था, डर लग गया बिकॉज लाइक आई एम 20 years old. ठीक है, एंड 43 इज लाइक व्हाट, यू डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट. तो तब से मैं बहुत अच्छे से खाना खाने लगी हूँ. और क्या होता है ना कि मैं थक जाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम इन कॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट इज समथिंग आई ऑल्सो पोस्ट. ठीक है, तो मैं थक जाती हूँ. सो माई एपेटाइट इज एक्चुअली गेटिंग सो मच बेटर. एंड सो आई एम ईटिंग लाइक फुल डब्बा वाला टिफिन्स. ठीक है, पूरा ही खा जाती हूँ मैं इसको. Let's go. We do not have any washing machine and stuff here. So some of the clothes I give for laundry, which I cannot wash on my own, but some of them I have to wash on my own because I can wash them on my own. So I look a little ugly because I've been working all day. Okay, so I have done everything that I had to do today except for washing the dishes. But I have to grab dinner with a friend and it's currently 6:30 and we planned on meeting at like 7:30. So we are ready to go. But I doubt my outfit. I'll show you. So you have to tell me. Of course you can't tell me, but hi guys, so I woke up at 9:30 today, early compared to yesterday. So today we're gonna have breakfast, and for breakfast we're gonna have some poha and protein shake. Usually I do eat breakfast. Today we'll also focus on editing and studying because I cannot be like cleaning all weekend. What did you do all weekend? I cleaned, girls. I have to edit a video, and I have not edited on like Mac before or like PC before. I have only edited on my phone. So I'm learning that. So I'm actually learning to transfer files right now. Like here it is. How do I show you? Too bright. Yeah. Breakfast usually what every day. What I do is I buy poha for 10 rupees. I do have poha and I can make poha, but I just am too lazy for that because it generally takes a lot of effort than just going and buying it. And then I cut, veggies and then I add all the veggies in it. I'm new to this protein powder thing. So when I was like buying one, I got an unflavored one. So I have to bring like flavored milks to mix all these things. I am pretty sure the flavored milks are not that healthy and everything, but for now we'll stick to that because I have no other choice. And protein, because of protein I had like a lot of issues in my life. Like having protein for breakfast was a very good fix in my life because I don't know if I'm right, But there is something as a sugar spike that happens. Have our breakfast ready, people. But there's a twist. I will be drinking from this jar itself because I did not do the dishes apparently yesterday. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you. Well, so I figured out editing in FCP. So today I figured out how to make like cuts and everything, how to trim and everything. Tomorrow I'll do texts and then I'll do like effects and music. And so I'll try to keep it slow because if I'll do everything all at once, then it's like, you know what I mean? The faster you go up, the faster you come down, sort of thing. So I'll just keep it slow, and I'm like genuinely very happy because I figured it out. I did the dishes. Now I have to do laundry, and then I'm gonna take a bath, and then I'm gonna get some snacks because I had breakfast so late that I skipped lunch today. And if I would have had lunch, then my dinner would be late, and then I would have woken up. Whatever, you get me, right? You get me. We're gonna grab some burgers and some fries. Possibly, it's like cheap around here. It's for 100 rupees. You'll get a burger and fries. So pros of living in a tier 3 city is that you get like stuff for very cheap out here. We have like two very very important tasks. One of them is I have to plan my whole month. So I plan my whole month. It helps me for everything. And I also have an assignment due. So I played chess today and I played it for like a couple of matches and I lost every single one of them. Sad, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go and buy some things. And here on Sundays it gets like very crowded, so I doubt I'll be able to film outside. Let's go. Do you guys see my tripod? Anyways, I was saying let's do some real business right now. First, I'm gonna plan my month and then I'm gonna plan my week. This really helps me, stay sane. So let's do it. First, I'm gonna brush my teeth out of toothpaste. That's what we are. Okay, so first off, we're gonna plan our month. What I do is I get this print out. So I've been doing this because there is this YouTuber, Dr. Anuj Panchal. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But yeah, I saw his idea where he used to like print out a calendar and like mark everything down, and it has really, really helped me. Although he does like do it in a more academic way, but I like do it in more of my daily chores way because if I do them, then I feel more productive and like more happy. So yeah, this is the print. I hope you can see. If it is mirrored, I will flip it. So the day is done and so is the weekend and we are back to our college schedule कल से. It's currently 1 a.m. तो अभी मैं सोऊंगी तो सुबह 9 बजे तक तो मैं उठ जाऊंगी which is like enough for my 10:30 class. Lab actually, I have labs in the first half like before lunch and then I have classes after lunch. That I will also make a vlog on. Thanks for watching.